Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's video I will be painting them wheels that I got, the Compomotives. I'll be sanding them down, primering them, painting them, clearing them and hopefully getting them on the car, but maybe not in this video. But anyway, yes, this is how you refurbish a set of wheels by hand. Yes, I'm doing this in my living room. Basically, sanding the wheels down by hand takes ages, so I will time lapse this. What have I got? 120 sandpaper, and I've got to get. Well, these wheels have got so many grooves. If you look here, it's not just a case of sanding down one spoke. You got this top spoke, you got the side of it, you got that ridge, you got the side of that, you got that ridge, you got the side of that, you got in here, you got in these corners, you got these tiny little corners in here. You've got all of this, you've got inside there, you've got that ridge there, all the way around. So they may look a simple set of 5-spoke wheels, but they're not. There it goes. Let's get on with sanding these wheels, shall we? Here's a little tip for you. If any of the wheels you're doing have chunks out of them, like here, like mainly on the rim, like the curb rash, things like that, chunks out the powder coating and things like that. Instead of using sandpaper by hand, just get a little hand sander, about 80 grit should do it. And what you do is, like I'm just doing a few here. These, you can see, these bits here, where are they? Here. These bits here, to a touch with my hand, they are now smooth. They used to look like that, like proper chunks you could feel with your finger. The trick is to get this and literally just switch it on and go backwards and forwards along the edge, just to take away. And the trick is to use your hand to feel. If you can't feel a ridge anymore and it's smooth all the way around, it's sorted. Because if you don't get these chunks out, when you paint the wheels, they'll show up. So make sure you get any any chunks or blemishes out of the wheel. Okay, there we have it, people. We have 1, 2, 3, and the other one's in the workshop. 4 wheels done. I've still got to order some centre caps for these, but the wheels are sanded, all 4 of them. So, God, look at the mess. So yeah, after a lot of sweat, finger skin, and probably a lot of disapproval by my girlfriend for using the dining room table to do this. I did put cardboard down. I did think ahead. So yeah, anyway. Its next stage is to primer these. Yes. Ooh, trophies. What we're doing now is, I'm just going to, a lot of dust. I'm just going to get these ready to mask them up. A lot of people use card. They put cards down the back of here and stuff like that. But I like just like the old school way of doing it. What I do is I let all the air out of the tyre, I push it down and I tuck masking tape in there and then I fold it down and then I can get in where I want to get in with the paint. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to mask up all around here, tuck it in underneath the rim of the wheel, and then we can start priming. First things first though, push this down and blow all the dust out of there. All the way around, and then I'll start masking. There we have it. We have one taped up wheel ready for primer. Even don't forget to tape up the air valve majiggy. There we have it. I will be removing the centre cap because I have very special centre caps to go in this. You wait and see what they are. But yeah, so I'll mask up the rest. Won't bore you with that, and then we'll get to the priming. Before we get to doing the priming, forgot to mention this. We need to get something like degreaser. We want to get anything off of here, off the paint that I've sanded down. that might cause the paint not to stick to it properly. So degrease or something. I've just got myself some methylated spirits. So to be fair, it's all they had in the shop. So I normally get like pre-paint wipes, but they didn't have any. So this will do. This is just going to take any grime off that might not allow the paint to stick. It's any grease off that might allow the paint to stick, any dirt off. So what I'm doing now, get into the corners. Anything in here might not allow the paint to stick, you want to get off. That will do for now. Right, let's get out into the outside workshop, if there's room out there, and get some primer on them, shall we? Okay, here we are. We are out in the shed. We're about to give this a coat of primer. Make sure there's no dust in there or anything. Give it a nice coat of primer. Let's shut this thing. Don't want any air getting in. Try to stop any airflow. I've covered me, I don't know if you can see that in there, but I've covered the back of me polo with a blanket. First things first, need to give this a bloody good shake. Heat it up if possible. I'm only going to be doing one wheels at a time on the video. You don't want to see me do all of them. You get the idea of just one. Do you know what I mean? So give this a bloody good shake. Is that coming out right yet? Right, first thing I'm going to do is go around the edge. I want to get in around there, and then what I'll do is I'll get in all the fine corners and details, and then I'll do the finishing main coat afterwards. But first it's about getting into all the grooves. Get into the groove. So in there. Actually, this covers really well. Right, let's try and get into these bolt holes. Because they're quite deep. Right, okay. Now then, let's go around the rim. Okay, now in here. That. Okay, that's all the corners got into. Now to do the top of the spokes. Okay, now just over the top, do a quick blam over. Done. That is primed. That wheel right there is primed. I've got into every corner. Everything is done. Sweet. Right. We'll take this back indoors because to keep it in warm. I don't want this getting wet, cold even. Okay, let's have a little close-up look at this. Here we go, as you can see, the wheel is lovely primed. I'm going to let that dry, let it do its thing, and then we can do the gold, can't we? Okay, that has now dried. It is time to do the colour I will be doing on these wheels, and if I don't think I've already told you actually, this is the colour the wheels are going to be. Gold. Right. So this is the exciting part. This is the exciting part. There we have it. That is one wheel. What do you think of that? That's actually come out really nice, hasn't it? Ah, that is, I'm really liking that. Yes, I can't wait to put the centre caps in these. Right, we've still got to maybe one more coat and then clear coat. Okay, we now have all 4 wheels done in the gold. It's dried. I'm now going to clear coat. I'm a bit worried about the temperature. The temperature's a bit chilly, but tomorrow's going to be even colder, so I want to get them done now. Hopefully it won't go cloudy. That's what happens if it's too cold for the lacquer. They can go cloudy and I've got to do the whole wheels again, but fingers crossed they'll be fine. Let's get on and do the clear coat. There we have it. One clear coated finished wheel. I might do another coat, but I don't need to film that. Next I'll be getting the centre caps. Wait till you see my centre caps. They're going to look wicked. And anyway, let's get to them now, shall we? Okay, here we have the fun part, the satisfying part. Peeling off all the tape to see how they turned out. Well, you can see how they turned out, to be fair, but it's still the fun part. Here we go. If I can get underneath it, or that way. Arse. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And let's not forget the finishing touch. Right, here we go. The moment you've been waiting for. The centre caps. Focus, you stupid thing. Finishing touch. There we have it, people. One finished, painted, Compomotive alloy wheel. Looking badass, if I do say so myself. Happy days. Right, that is the end of this video. I'm not going to show you the wheels on the car yet, because the car's got its MOT tomorrow. I might do a video about that. Yeah, car's first MOT since 2007 is tomorrow. So, I'm really paranoid if it's going to make it to the MOT certain or not, but on paper I've done everything it should do. But yeah, I won't be fitting these wheels for the MOT because I need to get longer wheel bolts for the front, which is a pain in the butt. But I really wanted to show you them on the car in this video, but it's not to be. But yeah, anyway, here we go. I'll leave you with another shot of the wheels. Look at them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, people.